Welcome to the Weidmüller stand in Hanover.
Today, we will show you our industrial service platform, easyConnect.
With our cloud-based industrial service platform, easyConnect, we are gradually bundling all of Weidmüller's digital services in one place, from planning to installation to operation, and for a wide range of product groups. This includes our support offering, configurators, roll-up management, and a wide range of industrial IoT services, such as remote access, data visualization, or AutoML.
We will be demonstrating the industrial IoT services on easyConnect at the trade fair using the Strata Brewery as an example. We collect data along the brewing process, visualize it, and use it to detect anomalies at an early stage using machine learning. With IoT services on easyConnect, your processes become even more efficient and products even better.
And if you want to know more about our industrial IoT services or this cool use case, then visit us on our website. We look forward to meeting with you.